Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Master the Grill, your to-go summer recipe. And today I'll be showing you all my pineapple macaroni recipe. And for our ingredients today, we're going to be using a macaroni, half teaspoon of curry, half teaspoon of salt, paprika, a bell pepper, 3 eggs, and a granite oil. And the first thing we want to do is, wash our veggies, wash our bell pepper. This is that phase where we prepare our veggies. If that makes sense. And what I'm doing right here is I'm literally, just cleaning our bell pepper. And you know how we do it, we literally for you to take care of your bell pepper, what you need to do is you need to cut it into two and take out those seeds out of it. You do the same thing also to the red bell pepper also. Take out those seeds. We can't. Probably some other countries don't mind cooking those seeds, but for the most part, what I prefer doing is taking out those seeds out of it. And once I'm done taking out the seeds, I literally rinse them. Just that way, any form of jam or dirt on bell pepper can easily just go out, and that way I'm rest assured that the seeds are out of the bell pepper. Once we're done with that, the next thing I want to do is cut those guys into little pieces. Once we're ready, once we're done with that guy, um we'll put our veggies into a separate bowl, and that is literally what I'm doing there. I think at this point in time I'm done. Used to do what I did, cut them smoothly, nicely. Some people will still prefer chopping them into little pieces, little more pieces, but I prefer it this way. So once you're done with it, what you have to do next is put it aside in a separate bowl, and this is where we want to fry our eggs. And you'll just have to put about 1 or 2 spoons of, should I say, granite oil or vegetable oil in a pan. Make your stove or make your cooker leave it on medium heat. And what you want to do is just break your eggs, crack your eggs onto the stove or inside of your pan. Once you're done cracking it, you just let your egg fry. If it's supposed to be, you can add a little pinch, just a pinch of salt, just to give it that little bit of taste. And that's why I just did right there, just a little bit of salt. And once you're done adding that guy, you just, twist it around, shake it around. You don't want your eggs all the way done. All that we're just trying to do is just make it done. You just cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes. And at this point in time, this is where we have to cook our macaroni. For this guy right here, most folks will boil their macaroni, but what I'm doing, my whole process is different this time. I did pour 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil inside of a pot, and the minute I did that, I did add, our veggies to it, our bell pepper. Remember the bell pepper like we did um cut a few minutes ago, you know, let that guy fry, and why you don't just want to leave it while it's frying or while it's cooking. You make sure you mix it in between. Let that guy cook for about 1 to should I say 1 to like 3 minutes. And once it's done cooking, this is where I did grill some chicken breast earlier, So that was what I just added right there. I did add my chicken breast. You can add anything you want to, like any form of protein you want to add. But for me, I had I just added my chicken breast. Once you're done with that, you want to add half teaspoon of paprika. Like I said, I don't use my I literally know how to get it. That's half teaspoon of paprika. You want to add another half teaspoon of curry powder. I didn't use time on this guy, and while immediately I finished adding my curry powder, I did what I'm doing right here is just mixing it in general, and just let everything cook all together. We're missing one thing, and for now, I think we have to add probably half teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt. So I'm just mixing that guy right there. And once you're done, once you think you're done, um, you want to add your macaroni depending on the amount of macaroni you want. While that is cooking on the side, the next thing we want to do is we want to get a pineapple. Make sure you clean it. You can use it inside a bowl of water or something. But yeah, I've taken care of mine right there. And what I'm doing right here is I just got my pineapple and sliced my pineapple into two. At this point in time, what I'm doing is I'm digging into that pineapple right there and getting those pineapple chunks, because that is what we're literally going to use. That's what we're going to use to make our macaroni. So that's what I'm doing right there, getting those chunks out of the pineapple, you know, just getting everything out of it. And what I'm doing, I'm just cutting those guys into little pieces because we don't want to make them too big. That's why I just cut them into little pieces, and you see the juice, we still need the juice. So once you're done with that, you're gonna pour those pineapple chunks into it with the juice and mix it. Mix everything together with our macaroni. Look at that guy. That guy looks so good right here. That guy is looking so. Our recipe is looking so good already. So we're not done yet. What we have to do is we have to make this guy cook. And what I just did is I did add half cup of water to it and cover it. And this is where we let it cook for 10 minutes. Let that guy cook for 10 minutes medium heat. After 10 minutes, they cook on medium heat. Come back again to check it out, mix everything together, and if possible, test it. That way, you know if you still add a little bit of salt or not. And remember the eggs that we did fry earlier. I just added, I did just add the eggs to it, and look how that guy looks right now, looking so good. For the look of things, I think we still have to cook this guy for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is where we serve uh, pineapple macaroni into a pineapple. Look at that guy, and literally, I just added one of my grilled drumsticks to it, and that guy looks so good. Look so good. Guys, try this recipe and let me know how it does come out. Let's get those comments inside of the comment section. Let me know what y'all feel. Let me know how it does turn out. Thanks so much for your support towards our channel. Y'all are the best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.